Yo, this is Swing Takers Tactical Holding. You know, I've been telling you guys Bitcoin to Zcash to Bitcoin is coming. So preparation is the best strategy here. You gotta be prepared for it. That way, when it's spilling, you know your buckets are already open. And what that means is start grabbing Zcash now while it is cheap. The market cap is under 600 million, man. Imagine that. And Bitcoin is $1 trillion. You know, the market cap, I mean, is over $1 trillion. Imagine even half of that starts spilling on Zcash. And Zcash is the true deal. You're talking about store